To new life where we used to teach ourselves what we can use our hand to do for the benefit of ourselves, our life, and for everything generally. If you are watching us for the first time, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and ask any question that is not clear to you. We definitely get back to you or get to us on our WhatsApp number 07034682225 or 08156288101. You can comment on the down of any question that you have, we respond to. For your new subscriber, for your new viewer, you can subscribe to us, press the bell beside it and notification bell so it will notify you whenever we drop a new video. Today work is for businessmen and for wealthy people. If you want your business to grow or you expect you want money in any way, do this thing. By God grace, you will never regret doing it. How are you going to do it? Even though it can work for Yahoo boys, it will bring a tangible money once you do it. But I will not disclose any amounts. I will just tell you that it will bring a tangible money that you will know. If you utilize the money very well, you will never go down again in your life. How are you going to do it? Get a beans cake, big one. Beans cake, big one. What do I mean by this? Akara elepo. That's the big one. How are you going to do it? Just get 3 pieces of that beans cake, big one. Let it big. You will do it. We just cut the head like we wanted to cut orange. You just slice the head small, and you will remove what is inside of the big one. Kindly listen attentively. You will cut it as you wanted to cut orange. Just cut this head small. You will not throw the head away. Keep it so. You will remove all what is inside the beans cake. And you will get tiger leather, that's aweku, tiger skin. Once you buy you can buy it just like 300 naira from where they are selling it. You have 3 beans cake. The tiger beans that you buy, you cut it into 3 pieces. You will put it inside the beans cake that you have already removed the inner of it. You will pick meat, that's leather, that's pig meat, that's pork, not the cooked one, just the wet one. You will buy just like 200 or 300 now. You will cut it into 3. You will add it to the tiger skin. Once you add it into tiger skin, there's what's called one alligator pepper. It's used to small. They call it atare aja. So you buy 3 also. You will put it one inside on the top of the pig meat that you put inside, and you will now use that cover of the king base to cover it back. You will now take one thread of the black and white. You use it to cover it that it will not show again. Use it to wrap the base cake that it will not show again. That's how you will do the 3 base cake. That's the way you do the first one. That's the way you will do the second base cake and the third base cake. I hope you understand. You will cut the head of the base cake. You will remove what is inside. You will take a tiger skin, a little tiger skin. Put it in the floor of the base cake that you have already removed. Put a pig meat inside it and put ataraja on it. After you have put those on, you will now use the something to cover it back. You will use the thread to tie it, the white and black one, that is called wimule, to cover it that it will not show. Something will not show again. That's why you will now burn the 3 in separate way. After you have burned the 3 in separate way, you will grind it very well. After you have grinded it very well, you can start this work on Monday. After you have done it, the one that you firstly grind, you put it aside, wrap in something after you have grinded it. The second one, the third one, that's how you will separate it. On the first day that you wanted to use it, you will use hot like dry gin, like shinap, original shinap or lord, to take in 4 a.m. in the first day. After you take the first something that you have grinded, you will pour it in your mouth. You use the not to swallow it. That is the first day. In the second day, which is Tuesday, you will do it as the same. The third day, which is Wednesday, that's how you will do the third one. Once you do it, by God grace. Focus on your work, focus on your business. Like Yahoo, focus on your clients. By God grace, you will have a tangible money on that week. God will bless you with it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and do as we say, comment on what is not clear to you. Ask any question that is not clear to you, we'll get back to you. Or if it's on our WhatsApp, 08156288101 or 0803734683225. Thank you for watching. Ká sì gbogbo ẹ̀yin lólùfẹ́ wa nílé ọdún ìyá àyàwó fún ẹwà ẹ̀sọ́ iṣẹ́ tá a fẹ́ mọ̀ iṣẹ́ ìmùlẹ̀ ajé iṣẹ́ ìmùlẹ̀ owó ni tí ó máa ń ṣiṣẹ́ dáradára lára wa fún gbogbo àwọn tó ń ṣe òwò tó ń ṣe business fún àwọn ọmọ Yahoo ni ó ń ṣiṣẹ́ dáradára. Báwo la ṣe máa ṣe? Ẹ lọ wá àkàrà elépo tó tóbi mẹ́ta, àkàrà elépo mẹ́ta, ẹ pa ní pàǹsà, ẹ ra gé orí ẹ kó gbogbo nǹkan náà kúrò. Ìgbà tó ń pè ní pàǹsà ni ẹ wá ẹran awọ ẹkùn ẹ fi kékeré tẹ́lẹ̀ inú àkàrà elépo tẹ́ wá náà yẹn. Ẹ mú ẹran ẹlẹ́dẹ̀ kékeré ẹ fi lé, ẹ mú atare àjà ẹ fi lé. Bẹ́ẹ̀ lẹ ṣe máa ṣe mẹ́tẹ̀ẹ̀ta. Tí ẹ bá ti wá sí tẹ́ wá fi ìdérí rẹ̀ dé, ẹ wá wo ilé òwú dúdú àti òwú funfun dáàsì òwú ìmùlẹ̀. Ẹ wo etí kankan ò ní yọ jáde mọ́. Bẹ́ẹ̀ mẹ́tẹ̀ẹ̀ta máa ṣe mẹ́tẹ̀ẹ̀ta kẹ́ wá jó mẹ́tẹ̀ẹ̀ta ní ọ̀tọ̀ọ̀tọ̀. Tẹ́ bá ti jó kìíní ẹ dì sínú ibì kan, ẹ jó kejì ẹ dì sínú ibì kan, ẹ jó kẹta ẹ dì sínú ibì kan lọ́tọ̀ọ̀tọ̀. Tó wá jọjọ́ tẹ́ bá fẹ́ lò ó, ẹ lè bẹ̀rẹ̀ lọ́jọ́ ajé tó jẹ́ pé ẹ lò ní aago 4 ìdájí. Ẹ kọ́kọ́ fi àkọ́kọ́ ẹ lò pẹ̀lú omi ayé that's ọtí lọ tàbí ṣínàṣínà ẹ dà sẹ́nu ẹ fi omi tì sí. Ẹ lò kejì níjọ́ Tuesday, ẹ lò kẹta níjọ́ Wednesday. Lágbára Ọlọ́run yóò mú owó tó ní àpẹẹrẹ wá fún owó tó ní ọ̀rìn. Èmi ò ní dákọ̀ yẹ owó kankan ó dúpẹ́ ìrúsẹ́ tẹ bá ti sọ yóò mú owó tó ní àpẹẹrẹ. Ẹ lọ sí bí mo ti sọ kẹ́ fún mi lésì. Ẹgbẹ́ olóyún tẹ fún òwò ní fọ́kùnkùn lọ́yún ìdúró wa. Ẹ máa bá a tẹ̀ sójú, ẹ máa bá a subscribe, ẹ máa bá a share, ẹ máa bá a comment sí àwọn nǹkan wa. Lágbára Ọlọ́run ojú yóò ní fọ́, ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ yóò ní lọ́ba. Ẹ ṣé.